Your car has scratches that look terrible, but body shops charge hundreds to fix. Most scratches can be removed at home for under $20 with the right products. The trick is knowing what type of scratch you are dealing with and using the correct method. Here are 7 proven ways to repair scratches on your car all alone today. Identify the type of scratch first. Car paint has 3 layers: clear coat, color coat, and primer. Their job is to protect the metal underneath and provide the finished look. When you scratch the paint, you might break 1, 2, or all 3 layers. The repair method depends entirely on the depth of damage. Light surface scratches need different treatment than deep gouges that reach the metal underneath. How to identify it? Wash the scratch area thoroughly with soap and water. Run your fingernail across the scratch. If your nail does not catch, it is only in the clear coat. If the nail catches, the damage goes deeper. Wet the scratch to see if it disappears when wet. Disappearing scratches are clear coat only. Visible color or bare metal means deeper damage that needs paint. Use toothpaste for light surface scratches. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives designed to clean teeth without damaging enamel. Its job for paint repair is to gently polish the clear coat. When you rub toothpaste on a light scratch, the abrasive smooths the edges of the damage. Many shallow scratches blend away completely. This method costs almost nothing if you already have toothpaste in your bathroom cabinet. How to use it? Use plain white toothpaste, not gel or whitening formulas. Apply a small amount to a damp microfiber cloth. Rub the scratch in a circular motion for 30 seconds. Wipe the area clean with a clean, damp cloth. The scratch should be significantly less visible. Repeat once or twice for stubborn marks. This works best on small, light scratches you can barely feel. Apply a scratch repair pen. It contains colored paint matched to common factory colors. Their job is to fill in deeper scratches that go through the clear coat into the color layer. When applied carefully, the pen leaves color behind that bonds to the existing paint. The result looks much better than the original scratch, even if not perfectly invisible. Pens cost between $10 and $20 at any auto parts store. How to use it? Find your vehicle paint code on the door jamb sticker. Buy a touch-up pen matching that code. Clean the scratch with soap, water, and isopropyl alcohol. Shake the pen well and apply paint to the scratch in thin layers. Let each layer dry for 10 minutes before adding more. The scratch fills in gradually with each layer until smooth. Use a rubbing compound for medium scratches. Compound is an aggressive polishing paste with fine abrasives. Its job is to remove a thin layer of clear coat to smooth out medium scratches. When applied with a polishing pad or microfiber cloth, the compound levels the damage. The result is a much less visible scratch that may completely disappear depending on depth. Quality rubbing compound costs about $15 per bottle. How to use it? Apply rubbing compound to a clean microfiber pad. Work the scratch with firm pressure in a circular motion for 1 minute. Wipe away the compound and inspect. Repeat if the scratch is still visible. Always follow rubbing compound with polishing compound and a quality wax to restore the shine. Skipping the polish leaves a hazy mark where the rubbing was done. Apply clear coat touch-up. A clear coat is the transparent top layer that protects the color underneath. Its job is to provide gloss and weather resistance. When a scratch removes the clear coat, the paint below dulls and looks bad. A clear coat touch-up pen rebuilds the protective layer over the repair. The clear coat blends with the surrounding paint and restores the shiny finish that makes the repair invisible. How to use it? After applying color touch-up paint and letting it dry completely, brush a thin layer of clear coat over the area. Wait 15 minutes between coats and apply 2 to 3 coats total. Let the final coat cure for at least 24 hours. Lightly polish the area with a rubbing compound to blend the clear coat into the surrounding paint smoothly. Polish the repair to blend it in. Polishing compound removes the haze left by rubbing compound. Its job is to restore the deep gloss of factory paint. When applied to a finished repair, the polish blends the repaired area with the surrounding paint perfectly. Without this step, the repair stays visible because of the difference in gloss level. Polishing compound costs about $15 at any auto parts store. How to use it? Apply polishing compound to a clean foam pad or microfiber cloth. Work the entire panel around the repair, not just the scratch area. Polish in circular motions for 1 minute. Wipe clean with a fresh microfiber. The gloss should now match the rest of the panel. Finish with a quality wax to protect the repair from weather and UV damage long-term. Wax the entire panel after repair. Quality car wax provides a protective barrier over freshly repaired paint. Its job is to shield the new touch-up from UV rays, road salt, and weather. When you wax the entire panel after a scratch repair, the wax also helps blend the repair visually. Fresh wax brings out the deep gloss and hides minor texture differences between the repair and surrounding paint. How to use it? Apply car wax to a clean foam applicator pad. Work the entire panel using circular motions. Let the wax haze for the time listed on the bottle. Buff off with a clean microfiber towel. The panel now has a uniform gloss that masks small repair imperfections. Reapply wax every 3 to 6 months to keep the repair protected from the elements.